Rent a Cyber Friend review. Hey there, what is up, and welcome back to the channel. So as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a review on rentacyberfriend.com. Now this is a rather cool website where you can become a cyber friend for people and actually charge per minute for you to actually just sit there and chat with somebody. Now this can be via just talking on the phone, or this can be a video call. Now, typically people charge between 1 cent and $3.50 every single minute. Now, if you want to make money on this website, I would advise that you charge less than $3.50 because most people are not going to actually pay that amount to chat with most people. Now, I want to talk about some of the pros with rentacyberfriend.com and a few of the cons. If at any point, by the way, you want to see my #1 recommendation to make a full-time income working from home without having to chat to anybody like this, I will leave a link at the top of the description and the pinned comment. And all you need to do is submit your email and I'll send you a link to a completely free training that will walk you through how that works. Anyway, the way that it works with the Rent a Cyber Friend, again, to sign up, all you need to do is get started by clicking the sign up button or going to the bottom of the page and clicking on Become a Cyber Friend. Now, all you need to do is add your interests, type in how much you want to actually charge, and then they tell you to share it on social media. But honestly, like, if you're sharing this on social media, your friends probably don't want to pay to actually talk to you. This would only make sense if you were some sort of influencer and you wanted to just push yourself out there and actually charge the people, your fans, to chat with you, right? Now, again, CyberFriend requirements: no degree, no certifications. You just need to be over 18 years old and have a good smile and be friendly. Now, again, you can get paid in a few different ways. They'll pay you via bank transfer or PayPal, but they take a 20% platform fee. So if you become a cyber friend and you earn $100, they're going to pay you out $80 because they take 20% as a platform fee, which is rather high, but that's the price that you have to pay to actually use their website and allow them to find you people who you can become a cyber friend for. All you need to do down here to sign up is go through here and then fill in the application process. Now, I want to show you some of the actual cyber friends on here, and because you want to make sure that you have a profile picture that stands out. People are going to be just scrolling through and they're going to want to try and find somebody who has like maybe a nice smile or a great profile picture that has a color behind you that really stands out. You want to make sure your picture stands out, because if you scroll to the bottom here, you can see there are 28,243 pages of people who have their profile on here. So the competition is extremely high. Like, for somebody to find you on here and actually pay to talk with you, it's next to impossible. If you're signing up here and you don't have a way for you to self-promote yourself, and you're just relying on somebody to come here and actually click on your profile, it is going to be extremely hard for somebody to choose you over the 200 and something thousand people who are on here, because each page contains like 10, 20 people. There's literally hundreds of thousands of people on here. So for somebody to choose you, again, it's going to be really tricky. So do I think that Rent a Cyber Friend is legit? 100% it is legit. This is a real way for you to make some money. However, do I think that this is a good way to earn money from home? Honestly, it might be one of the worst ways I've ever seen for somebody to make an additional income. It might be quite fun if you do get some people somehow to actually pay you to chat with you. I mean, again, the competition is unreal, how many people are on here and how little of a chance do you have of having somebody actually choose you to talk to you, when there are people who will charge 10 cents a minute and they've been on here for a while, they've got reviews, right? For you to go on here and start, it is going to be extremely hard for you to make any money whatsoever. You might be able to just make a few extra dollars a month, to be honest with you. Is it worth signing up for and trying out? Totally. I don't see why not. You might as well put yourself on there and see if you do get anybody to rent you as a cyber friend. But I do think it is a a horrible way, honestly, for you to make an income on the side, because I don't think the earning potential would be like at most a couple $100 a month. If you want to know a real legitimate way that you can make $5,000 to $10,000 every single month from home, I will leave again a link in the top of the description to my #1 recommendation to make money from home. All you have to do is put in your email address and I'll send you a totally free training that will walk you through exactly what I do and what thousands of other people do to make, again, a full-time $5,000 to $10,000 or even more per month working from home. You don't even need to leave your home. All you need is a phone, a laptop, and a Wi-Fi connection. But again, rent a friend or rent a cyber friend is totally legitimate. I just think it is probably one of the worst ways that you can actually make money from home because of the competition and because of how little it actually pays. So with that being said, if you have any questions about Rent a Cyber Friend, let me know in the comment section down below. Subscribe to the channel for more reviews and more money-making tips. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. And again, check the link in the description for my #1 recommendation for you to make money from home.